Hello everyone, this is Austin behind Origami Guy 04, and in this video I'm going to show you to make these two origami boxes. And the really cool things about this model is that this is folded from a single sheet of paper, not two. And you can fold this model from different dimensions. So this is from a 2x1 rectangle of paper, which is half of a square, and that's what I'm going to use. And I'm using a pretty large sheet to make it easier to see. So this is from a 2x1 rectangle, and you can also fold it from an ordinary sheet of printer paper. No cutting, taping, or gluing. This is from a whole sheet of printer paper, and you'll get one like this. And you can also fold it from a square sheet of paper. This is from a sheet of commie paper, and you'll get a pretty skinny model like this. And what's also cool about it is that it's actually got a pocket in the center of it, and you can actually use that to put stuff inside too, if you open it up. But I kind of prefer to just keep it like this. But yeah, you can open it up like I did on this model. You can put stuff inside too. So this is technically 3 boxes in one. And another cool thing about this model is that depending on how much you divide the paper, you can make as many boxes as you'd like. So here's one that I made. This is 4 boxes. And I think I divided it into 16. And I don't even know if I made this one correctly. And then see, this one only has 2 pockets here, and there's no pocket here. So I don't know if I made this one correctly or not, but yeah, this is 4 boxes. But I'm gonna just divide it into 8, so you'll get a model that looks like this. Alright, let's go and get started. So, if you're using paper that's colored on one side and white on the other, begin with the white side facing up. And let's fold in half like this. And try and make your folds as exact as possible. And make strong creases. Okay, unfold. And now fold the sides to the center. Put this over here. Okay. You can unfold. Okay, unfold. So we divide it into 4, and now we're going to divide it into 8. So we're going to take this edge and fold it to the very last crease. Oh, by the way, this dimension of paper I'm using, this is a 14-inch by 7-inch rectangle. So I just took a 14-inch square of commie and I split it in half, and this is what I get. Okay, fold this edge to the first crease now. But like I said, you can use any dimension to fold this model with. If you have printer paper, you can certainly use that. Okay, and rotate, and fold this edge to this edge. Unfold. You can unfold this part too, and fold this edge to the nearest crease. Alright, and now we're going to do is we're going to orient it like this, landscape, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to this crease here. Okay, unfold, and you want to repeat that 3 more times. So let's do it on this side now. So take this edge and fold it to this crease. Unfold, and now this side. Same thing. Alright. And now we're going to do is we're going to make a valley fold that connects these 2 points. So where these 2 diagonals hit the raw edges. So we're folding this up 1 unit. So just kind of work that fold in to make it even all the way across. Make sure the edges align, and go ahead and crease sharply. Alright, and maybe just to be easier, you can just keep it folded for now. So we can do the other side. rotate, and repeat on this side. And you don't have to make, oh wait, never mind, we already did the diagonals. Okay. I forgot I made these 2 diagonals. Alright, but yeah, take this edge and fold it to here. So yeah, we're folding to the center of the paper. Okay. But I didn't fold it in half because if I did, I would have had an extra crease on the finished model, and I don't want that. Alright, now unfold. And now, we're going to make some more diagonal folds, and then we'll start collapsing it. So, what we're going to do is, we're actually going to make this crease. So this is the 3rd crease up from this edge. So 1, 2, 3. Make that a mountain fold. Alright. And then the very middle crease, keep that one as a valley. And go to the next crease up, and make that one a mountain as well. So this is going to be the center pocket of the model. And just to make it easier to see, I'm just going to draw these creases in. What we're going to do is we're going to make a diagonal valley fold. So here's 3 creases I just drew to focus on. So we're going to make a diagonal valley fold from this point to this point. So here goes. So we're taking this edge and folding it to this crease. But we're not making the whole fold. We're just folding on that segment, just like that. And repeat right here as well. So we're folding this edge to this crease. And not making the whole fold, we're just folding 1 unit. Alright, and repeat that on this side. So a valley fold from here to there, and from here to there. Alright, and now we're going to make 4 more diagonals, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a diagonal valley fold from this point to there. So we're folding like this to that crease, and not making the whole fold, we're just folding on this segment. And then now make one from here to there. And then we're going to repeat on this side. So from there to there, and from there to there. Okay, alright, so this is optional, and I think this is what makes it a little bit easier. So what we're going to do is, I'm actually going to make a valley fold from here to the corner. So we have an X of creases in the segment, and do that 3 more times too. This is just what makes it easier to lock the corners. So we have an existing crease. There we go. And repeat that 3 more times. Okay. Just like that. Alright, and now believe it or not, we're ready to collapse. So this isn't too hard, but just watch very closely what I'm doing. So, you need to make this a mountain fold, and this a mountain fold, and this a valley. Alright. And now we're going to inside reverse fold these 2 sides in. And we already have the creases there, so that's good. So it should be pretty easy, just reverse fold it like that. And here too. Alright. And now we're going to make this box and this box. So these are the 2 boxes. So we're folding on these 2 diagonals. Okay. Alright. And now, let's fold on these 2 diagonals too. Alright, now let's go ahead and lock these together. So let's start here. So just kind of hold it like this. Don't worry about what's going on right here right now. So just focusing on these two flaps. So we're going to take this corner and fold it down to this point where this crease hits the edge. So right there. So we're folding this triangle in half. Alright, and make that really sharp. You can make it really sharp by putting it on the desk and just doing it like that instead of in the air. Alright, and then now fold it over like this. Alright, now we're going to turn over and we're going to do the same thing. So fold this corner to that point. Or in other words, take this edge and fold it to the crease. Alright, and make that really sharp by using the table and your fingernail. And then now fold it up right over the edge. And there's our diamond. See? It's a diamond shape. I think the model looks really cool with the diamond on both sides. And to make it stay down better, just fold that diamond in half like this. A mountain fold. And make it really sharp. There we go. See? And there's one lock for the middle. Now let's repeat that process on this side. So just make it like this. And then take this corner and fold it to that point. Make it really sharp. It's best to use a flat surface. And then fold it over. And then this side now. So this corner goes up to there. Make it really sharp. Okay, and then fold it over. And just to make the diamond stay down better, just mountain fold it in half really sharply. And then use a flat surface and make that fold really sharp. There you go. And it should stay down pretty good. Alright, so now we're going to do the corners. And the corners are actually a bit easier because it's not as much layers. So let's start right here. So we're going to mountain fold along this crease here. Okay, make sure there's no glitches in the paper. And stay on this side with the diamond and fold this corner right on that existing crease we made. That's why I made those extra folds, to make it easier. See? If I didn't, I would be making a new fold right there. And now fold this over like this. So this corner meets this corner of the diamond. And then make that really sharp. I'll just do it in the air this time, not on the desk. There we go. It's not really an ideal lock, but it's an okay lock for this model. It doesn't need to be too strong of a lock. Alright, and you want to repeat that 3 more times. So here, and these 2 corners. So I'll show you again on this one. So pinch it like this, and just fold this corner down to here, on the side with the diamond. And then fold it over like this. And to make it stay down better, just crease it really sharply. And look at that, there's one box. Alright, repeat on the other side. I'm going to just do this one without talking. Alright, once you did that, your origami double box is all done. Oh, and I want to mention I have a couple other ones right here in the card. But yeah, this is my new one I designed. And this is probably my favorite one I designed so far. And yes, and of course I forgot to mention in the beginning, you can put stuff inside. This is a present box that I taught for members only. And this is a model I learned from YouTube. It's 2 cubes like this and they collapse. What else do I have? Oh. Here's a new model I designed recently. This was supposed to be a person, like with a lime-shaped head, but I kind of failed. So, I don't know if I'll make a tutorial for this anytime soon, but if I'm able to refine it, then I probably will. But yeah, that's on my to-do list, my agenda. But yeah, and this is a model I learned from YouTube. I learned it from a short. And this is a modular model, and you can actually make as many modules as you like. This is cubes that collapse. And this isn't pure origami, this requires glue. But yeah, and I'll probably make a YouTube short for this model one day. But yeah. And that's pretty much it for this video. Oh, and if you make origami books, like the one I taught here, you can use it as a bookshelf. You can put some origami books inside. And yeah, I think this one looks really cool with the 4 boxes. And like I said in the beginning, I don't even know if I made this one correctly or not. Because there's only 2 pockets here, and this is only just one edge. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much all I have to say about this model. And yeah, well, hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoyed folding it. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.